Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing for Avowed on the PC. First things first, if you're an Intel CPU user, there are issues with Unreal Engine 4 and 5 games and you need to manually lower your performance in the BIOS settings or using a utility. Other than that, there are a couple of settings we need to change within the game, so let's do that. So once you start the game, go to Settings. On the left hand side, go to Graphics. There are 3 settings in total that you need to change. The first thing is to switch off DLSS. This crashes the game for a lot of people. The second thing you want to change is NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. Turn this off. And the last thing you want to do is go to Game, go to Autosave Frequency and turn this as high as you can. Basically, people have been saying that if you turn this down to 3 or 5 minutes, this tends to crash the game because the game tends to crash when it autosaves. Okay, and that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a comment and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.